How to transfer money from Tng Ewallet account to another Tng Ewallet. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Transfer in here. After you've selected Transfer, enter phone number or select phone number from your contact. Then press on Next. After you've pressed on Next, enter the amount you want to transfer and then type in what's the transfer for and then press on Confirm. Add your PIN number. After you have added the PIN, it will be transferred easily. This is how to transfer money from Tng Ewallet account to another Tng Ewallet. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.